वेट ई ऑन है. Good morning, everyone. So let's start the class. Today, one thing I need to say, KV is having exams and KV is having what you call combination and permutation. So to teach them, I'm keeping this class. Some of the questions of combination and permutation I'm going to teach. So first question, some important questions of combination and permutation I'm going to start with. So word problems of combination and permutation, because last time for ACC school it was not there. So I'm starting with some of the most important questions and the patterns of questions, what you must need to know. How many different words can be formed with the letter of the word with the letter of the word Mississippi? How many letters can be formed with the letter of the word Mississippi? How many letters can be formed how many words can be formed with the letters of the word Mississippi? Okay, with the letter of the word Mississippi, with the letter of the word Mississippi. So let's check this one out. With the letter of the word Mississippi, M-I-S-S-I, So this is exactly the letter of the word Mississippi. Now, how many words can be formed with the letter of the word Mississippi? In how many of these permutations, four eyes, in how many of these in how many of these in how many of these permutations, so openly they said it is about permutation, in how many of these permutations four eyes do not come together. Permutations, four eyes do not come together. Four eyes do not come together. In how many of these? Four eyes do not come together. So this is exactly for letter of the word permutation. So how we are going to deal with the letter of the word permutation. So now look here, letter of the word Mississippi in permutation. So let's check this one out and we are going to solve these questions. Okay, come on. Shall we start this work, please? Shikha, start with. Ready? What is the problem, yeah? Nobody joined the class. हाँ कर हेलो नीचे खुला है दरवाजा हाँ वो भी खुला ही हुआ है वो गिरता हुआ है मगर वो खुला हुआ है क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई थी So Mississippi, in how many of these permutations four eyes do not come together? So here four eyes are not coming together. In how many of these four eyes do not come together? So first for this format, what is all work we have to do? So, how many of this format, how many of you are exactly joined? I didn't got their names. So now look here. Mississippi, in how many of these permutations four eyes do not come together? So the first important word is acha. So first important work is what we are going to do here is words counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total is coming as 11. How many it is coming? 11. No problem. So total is coming as 11. And once you are writing this 11, so how much it is exactly? 11 factorial. What it will become? 11 factorial. Combination permutation. So it is coming as 11. So after writing 11 factorial, which words are exactly related? The formula is that only. How many words are there? That means you have to write factorial. So if apple is there, A-double-E-L-E. How many letters are there? Sorry. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 factorial. Now how many are repeated? A is coming how many times? 1 time. So 1 factorial. P is coming 2 times, so 2 factorial. 1 L is coming 1 time, so 1 factorial. E is coming 1 time, so 1 factorial. So like this repetitions we are exactly going to write. So here this is the most important thing. So apple writing now. So this is exactly the way we are writing. Apple is 5 factorial by 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial and 1 factorial. So here what we are doing is Mississippi. Mississippi is exactly made with how many letters? 11 letters. If we are counting how many letters are coming, 11 letters are coming. After writing 11 letters, what we are doing is 11 letters are there, 11 factorial. Now M is coming only one time. I is coming 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Nishika, I is coming how many times? 4 times. How many times S is coming? 4 times. How many times P is coming? 2 times. So 11 factorial by 4 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. This is a way of writing Mississippi. How many of you are present in the group? Can you say? So this is exactly the way of writing Mississippi. But if somebody will be asking you, that the next part of the question is, in how many of these permutations 4 i's do not come together? In how many of these permutations 4 I do not come together? So we are not supposed to write 4 i's together. So here too we are writing 4 i's together. This is what is exactly common. Here 4 i's can come together. In this 4 i's can come together. This is all. This is all. Understood? So all minus when 4 i's will be coming together. So that part will be exactly giving you not coming together. From all, if we will subtract 4 i's coming together, 4 i's coming together, this will give you 4 i's, 4 i's, M is only 1. So 1 factorial value is 1 only now. 1 factorial value is 1. I is exactly coming how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. I is coming how many times? 4 times. So 4 factorial written. S is coming how many times? 4 times. So 4 factorial written. P is coming 2 times. So 2 factorial written. So I have written everything. Now look here. So your most important thing is when you are exactly writing like this, please pay attention here. So when you are writing like this, two things are there. So here all minus 4 i's coming together is 4 i's never coming together. Never coming together. So 4 i's coming together, 33810. Absolutely correct, Rudra. The correct answer coming here is 33810. This is 33810. This is better for all. Okay, Rudra. But better last part of the question. For all, if we are writing, this is okay. But they are asking when 4 i's will come together. So whenever this 4 i's will come together, that means what? They will be exactly, then 4 i's means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 i's coming together means they are the same letters now. So since same letters are repeated, so if we will place them in any order, it will be same only now. So that means all the following: Mississippi, M-I, double S-S-I, double S-S-I-P-P-I. In Mississippi, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 i's we will take together. So now what is remaining left? M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these 4 I together will become 1. Are you understanding? So M, 1, S, S, 2, 3, and then S, S, understood? P, P, I. Now all these 4 I together is like this. So total count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this one will become 8 factorial. because all the four eyes are coming together, so they will be together taken as one. All the four eyes are coming together means together they will be taken as one. And you know, beta, if I you will replace the location also now, it will be same only. If you will change the location of I also, it will be same only. So here it will become what? 8 factorial. What it will become? 8 factorial. And once you have written 8 factorial, after that, which number here is repeated? S is coming 4 times. So 4 factorial. P is coming 2 times, so it is coming as 2 factorial. So 8 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial is given. Now after this, what work we have to do? 8 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. After this, if you will solve this, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 2. So this 4 cancel and then it will become 2 3s are 6. So here 7 8 56. 56 into 3 into 5. So it is coming as how much? 3 6 18, 3 6 18, 3 5 15, 116 into 5, 5 8 40, 4, 5 4 30, sorry 6 5 30, 34, 8 40. So that means what? When 4 eyes will come together, together, that's what now. So here together, how much this is total coming? This total I did not count now. I thought you told that number only. Together 11 factorial. Wait. Together then I will find 11 factorial. I thought you were giving me that value. 11 factorial, 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 2 factorial. 11 will be 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. So this 4 factorial and 4 factorial will get cancelled. Yes, 4 to 8, 8 gone, and then 3 to 6, 6 gone. So what left is 110 into 9 into 7 into 5. So this much is there. So 990 into 7 into 5. 7 9 63, 7 9 63, 69, 695, so it is coming as 0, 5, then 5 will come to 46, 4, 6, 5, 30. It is coming as 3, 4, 6, 5, 0. Okay, so total is coming as 3, 4, 6, 5, 0. Yes, correct only. 3, 4, 6, 5, 0. And here the number of eyes which is repeated is coming as 840. So total will become total minus, so this formula I have written now. So this part formula I have written, and this is exactly when all eyes are together. Eyes together. So all eyes together is coming as 840. All eyes coming together is coming as 840. So eyes never come together is 34650 minus 840. So this part will become 0. 5 minus 4 will become 1. 6 minus 16 minus 8 will become what? 8. Is it coming 3, 3810? 33810. Yes, 33810. It is coming 33810. Is it coming with the 33810? So this is exactly the answer, and this is the way we are going to proceed. Where is Siddharth and everyone? So I hope you might have understood this one. So this is exactly the way how we are proceeding. We will go for the next one. Are you ready for the next question? Ready? Manalia, Naja, Nishika, over. So now I'll go for the next question. Now, right? How many different words can be formed with the letter of the word Haryana? How many different words can be formed with the letter of the word Haryana? How many different words can be formed with the letter of the word Haryana? with the letter of the word Haryana. After that, what they are telling with the letter of the word Haryana, how many of these begin with H and end with N? How many of these? Second part, in how many of these H and N are together? In how many of these H and N are together? Come on, go for it. In how many of these H and N are together? Come on, start doing it. Come on, do it. Solve this question. What is the question here? Yes. How many different words can be formed with the letter of the word Haryana? So how many letters can be formed with the letter of the word Haryana? First you check this one out. H A R Y A N A Haryana. So how many letters can be formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 factorial, right? H is coming 1, so 1 factorial. A is coming 1, 2, 3 times. So how much it will become? 3 factorials. R is coming 1, so 1 factorial. Y is coming 1, so 1 factorial. N is coming 1, so n factorial. So whenever you will be writing anything, it will be coming 1, 1, 1, 1 only. So here this is 1 factorial, 1 factorial, 1 factorial, but this is coming as, all others are coming as only 1 factorial. H is coming only 1 time, A is coming 3 times, R is coming 1 time, Y is coming 1 time, and N is coming 1 time. So all are exactly coming as what beta? 1, 1 factorial. So this is 7 factorial by 3 factorial. This is coming how much? 7 factorial by 3 factorial. Well, what is the answer? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial. So what is the answer? 840. Understood. So once you are getting there as 840, next what question they are telling that? How many of these begin with H and end with N? How many of these are exactly starting with H and ending with N? So that means you have to fix these two locations. Total 7 is there now. So H and N you fixed. So when H and N you are fixing, how many words are exactly remained? So here, how many places are there? Total 7 are there. How many are there? 7. So now 7 places are there. Out of that 7 places, 2 places you have fixed. So that means how many remaining are there? Remaining are only 5. Remaining are only 5. So now from H and N, H and N remove. How many are there? So after removing H and N, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total left is 5. Yes, first one is 20. Yes, combination I started teaching beta. So I started teaching combination because KV students were having exams. and they told like they want revision of this part, combination part. So I started combination. Combination was due only from our side, correct? So for combination and permutation part was due, so I need to finish that one. So I started it. Now look here. So now some extra classes. This holidays are started now. Tomorrow cleaning work is there. After that, I'll start taking classes. Oh, very good. Nice, nice, nice. Super. Online. Wait, who? First, afterwards. Come on, let's start the note first. So here, how many are left? Five are left. So here, five created. So five factorial. In that five factorial, a is exactly three times. So it will become three factorial. So it will become five into four into Rudra. Absolutely correct. Three factorial cancel. So it is coming as 20. After it, how many of these h and n are together? But if h and n we are taking together, good morning, Rajendra. Method are there, super, very good. So in how many of them H and N are together? So if H and N are together, means together they will make one digit, na? Correct, na? Together what they are making? They are making one. So we need to understand that Haryana, in that word Haryana, H and N are together. So when H and N are together, H and N are together, they will be considered as together as one. Okay. Now remaining words are left as H and they get A R YAA. So these are the words left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here this is total taken as 5 and here it is taken as 1. So total it is coming as what? Yes, ma'am, permutation and combination. यही तो permutation and combination ही है. So total is coming as how much? It is coming as 6. So 6 will be there. So now this time it will become 6 factorial by a is coming 3 times, so 3 factorial. But one problem is there. We must understand this one. This is coming as 6 factorial. Total together is coming as 6 factorial. And this is exactly 3 factorial. But one most important thing here is, which everybody is leaving, that H and N are together, Rudra. Here we need to understand one thing. H and N are together, so they will also shuffle their place now. They did not say that H will always come first and N will always come after H. If they will say like that, then it will be 1-1. But since they have told that they both are together, so they can also shuffle their place. Understood? So how many times they can shuffle their place? 2 factorial times. See, if I will be there, same digit will be there or same letter will be there. If they will interchange their location, then factorials will not come. But if different digits are there, different letters are there, then their factorial will be accountable. So here one thing is there, here H and N will interchange their place. In how many ways H and N can interchange their place? 2 factorial ways. So here in this part 2 factorial will be multiplied. So what is the answer coming? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So this and this got cancelled. 6 by 30 into 6, 2 factorial is there. Okay. So 6 by 30 into 4 to the 8. So 240. The correct answer will come here as 240. क्या बोलोगे? So it is exactly coming as how much, beta? It is coming as 240. So this is something you need to understand here. Why I have multiplied 2 there? Because most of the people they will ask me this question. ये तो factorial है ना? Yes, but it is exactly related to combination only. I hope with permutation. I hope you might have understood now कि why we have exactly multiplied 2 factorial. So if they will say that in which H and R, the three will come together always, then what you will do? When H and R, the three will always come together. Then if they will ask this question, that H and R, these three will always come together. Then what you are going to do? H and R is 3, understood? Remaining is what with the Y, A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Haryana, H-A-R-Y-A and T. H-A-R. So Y. So here how many letters are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So but if this 3 is coming as 1 together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this case it will become 5 factorial. Understood? Down again 3 factorial will come. Because of repetition of a 3 factorial will come. But now this is not the answer. 5 factorial by 3 factorial is not the answer because here one thing is missing. H and R will interchange their locations. So they will interchange their location in 3 factorial ways. So answer will become 5 factorial. Answer will become 5 factorial. That is the most important thing. I hope you might have understood because H and R will be exactly taken together as one. H and R will be taken together as one. So that is also one of the most important thing. We must not forget about it. Okay. So shall we go for the next part, please? I hope you might have written that one. So once that part is over, we will go for the next question, please. Now look at Allahabad related questions. So board related problems are like that. Now we are going to understand some of the questions which is exactly going to be different from others. So now permutation related questions I am doing right now. The question is find the number of arrangement of the letter of the word. Find the number of arrangement. Find the number of arrangement of the letter of the word independence. Find the letter of the word independence. Okay. After that, in how many of these letters, in how many of these letters, first, do the words start with P? First, do the words start with P? Second one, do all the vowels always occur together? Do all the vowels always occur together? After that, do all the vowels never occur together? Do all the vowels never occur together? Last one, do the words begin with I and end with P? Do the word begin with I and end with P? Do the word begin with I and end with P? Okay? Come on, try this question. Try this question. Do the word begin with I and end with P? Do the word begin with I and end with P? Start solving the question, please. Find the number of arrangement independence. चलो शुरू हो जाओ. First part answer क्या है? बता दो. What is the first part answer? तो what is so difficult about it? First, do you have do the word start with P? So whenever it is going to start with P, one letter is definitely going to be fixed. Okay. Total is having how much? Total is exactly total factorial first check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total is 12 factorial. Total formation, total word formation is 12 factorial. I is coming how many times? One time. N is coming how many times? One say. Three times. So it is coming as 3 factorial. Come on, brother, answer the question. Sujata, 3 factorial. And then after that, T is coming 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 12 factorial 4 times. Anything else is coming? N is coming how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. D is coming how many times? Independence. So D is coming as 2 times. So it is coming this much. Come on, check this one out. 12 into, so when you are writing like this, it is coming as 12 factorial, 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So this is exactly coming that much. So now next part what we are going to write is 3 factorial, 4 factorial and 2 factorial. This much is coming. Now look here, this is total word formation. But they told that in how many times? This is the total word. Okay, Rudra, first one is 138660. Okay, 138660. First one is absolutely correct. Oh, Sujata, you have got all the answers. Super. So now second part. So when first part of the question they are telling, do all the vowels start together. Look at here. Do all the words start with P? So P is fixed. So P is fixed, and P is only one, and P location is fixed. So if P location is fixed means we will have 11 factorial only. Understood? So P location. So this I am going to be cheating. I am going to copy you people. What answer both are getting is okay. Should not trust. They will do mistake means I will come to it. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, right? 3 to the 6 into 2. So this 4 factorial and 4 factorial will get cancelled. Now 6 and 6 will get cancelled, and this part will get cancelled with 6. Okay? So this much total values is coming as 660 upload 9 into 8 into 7 into 5. So 0, 6, 9, 54, 6, 9, 54, 5, 9, 8 into 7 into 5. So this one will become 40. So 0, 0, 4, 4, 16, 4, 9, 36, 37, 4, 5, 21, 23 into 7, 0, 0, 7, 6, 42, 4, 7, 7, 49, 7, 3, 21. What will this number is coming? What number you are getting? 1663220. 166 total number is coming is that much. First part is total number 1663200. This is the first one coming. 1663200. This is total number coming. Now next one we are going to do. That is the first part. The 7. Now I am doing the second part. It is starting with P. So when it will be starting with P, this is the total number I got. Because vowels they ask now. So total number. This is now first part is when it is always starting with P. That time it will become 11 factorial. and then 11 factorial by 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So here it will become 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. So 4 factorial, from 4 factorial itself we will take it as 4 factorial. So this 4 factorial into 6 into 4 factorial cancel, 6 and 6 will cancel, and get 2, and this 2 4s are. So 110, this is 110, 990 directly I write it. Then 4 into 7 into 5. So 0, 4, 9, 36, remember. Yes, 138500. Yes. Good morning, Himanshu. So 138500, 138600. 138600. 138600. Correct. 138600. The one I did not carry. Okay, 138600. So this is coming as how much better? 138600. This is the first part. Now the second part of the question, what they're telling that you do all the vowels always occur together. So the third section, do all the vowels. Second section, when all the vowels are always together. Now what and all vowels are there? I is there. We will keep it together. After that, E is there. Okay, one E, then again another E is there. Okay, so I, E, E, after that again E and again E. So these all are coming together. When these all are coming together, what you need to do? I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these all 5 are coming together. That means 7. What are the 7 parts? N, D, P, and D. P and D, after that N, C. So these are exactly the remaining words. So these all will always come together and they will be exactly shuffled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 together is going to make it as 1. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 plus 7 it will come as total 8 factorial. Correct? 8 factorial. Total it is exactly coming as how much? 8 factorial. After that we are in 8 factorial. How many are there which is same? 1, 2, 3. So N is exactly coming 3 factorial and B is coming 2. So 8 factorial when all the vowels will come together. But here one problem is there, all the vowels are coming together. Here one single problem is these fives are also coming together. Understood? And these fives will make one part. 5 will make one part. But here in this 5, all are not different. Two difference are there. Understood? So what we are going to do with this, we are going to multiply 5 factorial, because this 5 factorial arrangement also we have to do now, because E part is there, E with I is there. So it will become what? 5 factorial by here 4 factorial. 5 factorial by 4 factorial. I is coming as 1. I factorial I is coming as 1. This is always, you please remember this one. This, see, when they are telling that all the vowels are coming together, make the vowels together. But here now, you check this part, all the vowels, letters are there. There are 2 different letters are there. If 5 different letters will be there, then directly only 5 factorial you have to write. But here, 5 letters are there, 2 different. In 5 letters, E, 4 are same. So 4 factorial coming down. So 4 factorial into 1 factorial. These things are very, very important to be noted. Got it? So now here, after solving this, what is coming? This is exactly explaining when all the vowels are coming together. When all the vowels are coming together. So this part will become 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. By down 5 factorial can be as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial. So 3 factorial into 2 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial gone, and this is exactly coming as 2. So 100% what answer is coming here is 7 into 56. 56 into 30 into 10. Is it visible? Not visible. So it is coming as 0, 0, 3680, 3550, 160. So 16800. Anybody got that part? 16800 is coming. 16800. But better they're telling, third part is telling when all the vowels never come together. When all the vowels never come together, for that only, what formula? All the vowels all the vowels never comes together is equal to total minus vowels coming together. So what is the total we got? 1663200. And what which one is it? When the vowels are coming together? When the vowels are coming together, what is the answer? This one. This is for when T is written as first. Okay. So all the vowels are coming to 16800. 00. Correct, Rudra. Super fine. Now, with the calculation will take little time when all the vowels will come together. Last part of the question, what they asked, last part of the question, they said, do the word begin with I and end with P? So that means here we have to fix two locations. What are the two locations? Do the word has to first begin with I. So begin with I means total letters are there 12. Total 12 letters are there. So we are going to fix I in one location and we are going to fix P in last location. So I and P fixing means how many remaining letters are left? Total 12 letters are there. 2 letters are fixed. Then how many letters are left? 10 letters are left. 10 letters are left. What are independence? In D P E N D E N C E. But T is shifted here. Understood? So this 10 are together. So that is what will be the answer? 10 factorial by. Rest of the letters what are there? D is coming how many times? 2 times. Whatever sequence are there, that is 4 factorial. E is coming 4 times, so 4 factorial. D is coming 2 times, and I N. N is coming 3 times. So this much. So 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial into 2 into 6. 4 factorial 1, 6 and 6 gone, 2 and 4 gone. So here 90 into 7 4 28 into 5. So total is coming as 0. And here 8 9 72 7. So answer is coming as 0, 5 to 10 0, 5 to 25 26, 2, 5 to 10 11 12. 12600. 12600. The last part is 12600. Absolutely correct answer. The second section is 12600. That I have multiplied and got. I hope till here everything is clear. So this is a way of approaching, but this is not one last pattern. There is exactly some letters. See, one dictionary question is there. I want everybody to solve this dictionary question. Understood? This dictionary question not only comes in one section, this dictionary question is coming in most of the part. First, listen very carefully, write the question. If all the letters of the word again, if all the letters of the word, letters of the word again, AGAIN, if all the letters of the word again, if all the letters of the word again, Okay, be arranged as in a dictionary. Be arranged as in a dictionary, as in a dictionary. What is the 50th word? What is the 50th word? F-I-F-T-I, 58th word. Come on, start doing this question. What is the 50th word? In dictionary again is arranged. So what will be the 50th word? Come on, come on. Try to observe. Naaig. Very good, Sujata. But you need to write the numbers also. How many is exactly coming? Yes. Naaig. Absolutely right. So exactly total, which part will be giving you? Very nice, Rudra. So always we need to check. Now look at Naaig is the answer. But how it is coming, let's check this one out. In dictionary, always the names, yes, in dictionary, always the names are arranged in alphabetical order. Okay. So the first one is, we need to understand that, absolutely correct, Rudra. Himanshu, Sujata, absolutely correct. So see, when we are writing or making a pattern in a dictionary words, so one thing we must remember that it is going alphabetical order. So in alphabetical order, if again is there, A-G-A-I-N. So that means this is first letter fixed. If this first letter is fixed, then definitely the order is coming like this only. G-A-I-N. This G-A-I-N will be arranged in how many factorial ways? 4 factorial ways. Got it? So 4 factorial ways, this will be again arranged. So A will be exactly coming first. Understood? After that, what is exactly going to do here is A is coming 4 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2, 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. So here itself 24 is coming. Now again, are you willing to write AA together, or you are going to go with G? AA together, or you want to go with G? So when you will be going with G, now AAIL will come, correct? So now this 4 factorial will be exactly coming as how much? This 4 factorial will be arranged into how many ways? 4 factorial, is 12 factorial or 4 factorial? See, 4 factorial coming together will again become as how much? But here one thing is that AA is repeated. I think I have not written. AA is coming here only for 24 factorial. But here this AA is coming together. So this one will become 4 factorial by 2 factorial. So 4 into 3 into 2 by 2 factorial. So it is coming in 12 ways. Correct? So yes, NAAIG. After that, I will come. Are we going to start with I? So when we are going to start with I, in I, Again, what is left? A G I. Wait, I left a little bit. AAGI. So here same story will be there. It will become 4 factorial by this much 2 factorial. So here it is coming as 4 into 3 into 2 by 2. So it is coming as 12. So total how many letters it is coming? Till here, A first came, alphabet A is coming first, done. After that G comes, done. After that I comes, done. Then what left is N. So now N, A, after that G, I. So this part will come how much? So here first we will be adding this one together. So 24 factorial, 24, 12 and 12. So it is coming as 48. It is coming as 48. But after 48, how we are going to present it? Because till 48 it is easy to do now. Huh? So 20 total 48. What is the 49th word? 49th or 50th word they are asking? NAAGI we are going to write. This is 49th word. Understood? So NAAGI will become 49th word. Then NAAIG, because AA is fixed now. So NAAIG, everybody got? Yes. NAAIG will become the 50th. I have to explain in one shoot. So NAAGI is 49th word. Now AA is fixed. After that, only last two letters will be changed. So it will become NAAIG. Now let's solve another question. Okay. Are you ready for the next question, please? Yes. You understood, no? What we have to say here. Okay. Now we are going to write the next one. Permutation one, NCERT permutation relation questions are there. But we are going to start combination. Like these questions are there in permutation. Now combination questions. So you need to understand what is the difference between permutation and combination. Most of the time they are asking this question, what is the specific difference between permutation and combination? You need to understand one thing. Combination, permutation and combination, if somebody will be asking you, then you please remember this one. Permutation and combination. This is exactly, combination is only selection. Combination is only selection. We need to understand one thing. So here, combination is only selection. I know that. Combination is only selection. But permutation is arrangement. See, arrangement and selection both are there. Arrangement, you have to arrange. Arrangement and selection. So this makes the difference between permutation and combination. What is combination? Combination is only selection. What is permutation? Arrangement and selection. What is combination? A. What is combination? Bioja. What is combination is only selection. What is permutation is arrangement and selection. Understood? So that is the basic difference. Now we need to understand few things. So whenever we are taking any item in permutation, permutation means total number of items, from that some items are exactly selected and arranged. Okay? Understood. And here in permutation, orders are very, very important. Understood. But in combination, we are just selecting. Orders are not important. Got it? So here, orders are important. Order is very, very important. Order is important. Means the order in which you are selecting is important. So here, order is not important. Order is not important. So arrangement is order preparation. Arrangement is what? Order preparation. So you need to note down. So what is the difference between permutation and combination? So if permutation somebody will be asking you, you can say that permutation is arrangement and selection. Permutation is what? Arrangement and selection. But if you are talking about combination, combination is only selection. Here order is important, here order is not important. This formula is NPR, that is n factorial by n minus r factorial, and here it is coming as NCR n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is exactly the difference. This is exactly the difference. So NCR n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, and this part is NPR n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is the difference between permutation and combination. First point is permutation is arrangement and selection. Second, order is important. Third is the formula. Here also same thing. Here selection only is important. Order is not important. Third formula is this one. Okay. Third formula is this one. So now we can start solving the questions. But before solving the questions, we will solve some proof parts. Okay. So in NCRT book, proof part is there or not? I don't know. So here one time we need to check that one also. So now just write one question here. But permutation and combination is having certain formulas, certain derivatives. We need to derive that. Okay. So if somebody will be asking you how many times NPR is equal to CR. So what is permutation formula? Permutation formula is NPR, that is n factorial by n minus r factorial. Understood? So what we can do here is we can generate a relation between NPR and NCR. So if this one, this part is there now, we are going to multiply r factorial up and r factorial 1. Understood? So now it will become NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial into r factorial. So this one will become NPR is equal to r factorial NCR. This is the selection, this is the formula, this is the roadmap between permutation and combination. So permutation is equal to r factorial into combination, no doubt. Permutation is equal to if taken r at a time. So whatever case is there, when they will be taken r at a time, we can solve like this. We can solve like this. You we can solve like this. So taken r at a time is we can solve like this. It is exactly coming as NPR, that is r factorial NCR. NPR r factorial NCR. I hope you might have understood this one. So this is exactly coming as factorial problems. Factorial problems are actually solved like this. So now we will go for the last one. One proof is there. Please pay attention. So this is exactly the relation between permutation and combination. Now one formula is there. NCR is equal to N. This will become same N minus R. And that's what in combination at the time of teaching binomial, I have exactly always explained like this. Correct now? I said one thing. NC0 and NCM. Both are same. Correct? What makes the sense here is this formula only. Because of this formula, note down Rishika, NCR is equal to NCN minus R. Paisha understood better? So this is, but we have derived this one now. How can you say that? NCR. So now look here. First we will understand if R is equal to 2, N is equal to 10. So 10C2 is equal to 10C, check here, 10 minus 2. That is 10C2 is equal to 10CE. If you will add these two together, it will come 10. If you will add these two together, how much it will come? 10. So that's the roadmap. Got it? But we need to prove it now. So if somebody will ask you this one, how you are going to do it? NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Now NCn minus r. So it will become n factorial by n minus r factorial into n minus r factorial. So what it will become? N factorial by, open this bracket, n minus n plus r factorial by n minus r factorial. So this cancel. So n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So this is exactly always. But beta, one thing is always sure that 2 plus 8 should come 10. 2 plus 8 should come 10. That's one most important thing. So if somebody will be saying this one, 8C3 is equal to, it will be equal to which one, Raja? 8C3 will be equal to which one? It will become 8C5. Why? Because 3 plus 5 will become 8. 8C3 will become 8C5. Correct? Now 7C2 will be equal to 7C5. So that 2 plus 5 will become 7. Did you understood this formula is seriously a jackpot formula? So whenever this part comes, means you need to understand this one. In higher classes, in what we call probability related questions, whenever we are solving, we need to go with this patterns. Okay. So here, what and all things we have learned, NPR is equal to R factorial NCR. NPR is equal to R factorial NCR. Second formula is NCR is equal to NC N minus R. NCR is equal to NC N minus R. This is another important point to be noted. I hope you might have understood here. Vishika, Smashmaya, did you finish this one part? Okay, so if somebody will write like this, come on, check this one out. XCR, then what this one will become? XC X minus R. This is important. XC X minus R. This is the most important thing. I hope you might have understood this one. So we are going to do this 10 questions proceeding. Okay. So that's it for today. Next class in combination. I think few more classes of combination I'm going to teach. This chapter will become some complex combination and permutation merged question also. Not to we will do. Okay. So that's it for today. Bye everyone.